Hello children, welcome to Math Park. Today we are going to have the second video on inequalities. Children, it's very interesting topic. And after going to the video, if you like the video, please do not forget to share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. So we start with inequalities. So what are inequalities? First of all, let us understand. So inequality refers to a relationship that makes a non-equal comparison between two numbers or other mathematical expressions. So it takes in inequality, unlike in equations, we compare two values. The equal to sign in between is replaced by less than, greater than, or greater than equal to sign. So when you have this type of symbols over here, so if it is greater than, we read it as x plus 3 is greater than 2, 7x is less than 28, 5 is greater than equal to x minus 1, 2y plus 1 is less than equal to 7. So these are the symbols that we are going to use. Now, when we are representing the inequalities on the number line, remember these are the points. So you have to use a hollow dot when it is only less than or greater than, and you will be using a solid dot or a darken the circle when you are using less than equal to or greater than equal to. Very important to remember this. Now let us take one example. Here it is x is greater than equal to 1. Can you see this x is greater than equal to? So when is greater than equal to minus 1, that means x is taking the value of minus 1. So x takes all the values starting from minus 1. So you can have x is, you are asked to write the set of the values that x will have, it will have minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So what do you understand from this? That the closed circle, it says that minus 1 is a solution for this inequality. Okay. Let us take one more example. So here you can see a hollow circle. The inequality is x is less than 2. Okay, x is less than 2. So hollow circle says that 2 is not the solution. Okay, the open circle or a hollow circle says 2 is not the solution. The solution of this, the x is going to take the values from 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, and this arrow says infinite values. If you're asked to represent the set, it will be infinite starting from 1. Okay. Now, combined inequalities. What are combined inequalities? So, it is possible to combine two inequalities and can be shown on the number line. Okay. Now, for example, if we have to show minus 1 less than equal to x less than 3. So, we will be showing this on the number line in this way. The solid circle, what does it say? That minus 1 is taken. The x is taking the value minus 1. And here it is less than equal to, that's why. And when it is less than 3, 3 is not taken by, x is not going to have any value 3. It is going to have the values minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. So this is going to be a finite set which you will be learning again in IGCSE. Okay. So, and x is greater than equal to minus 1. If it is saying greater than equal to minus 1, it is same as minus 1 is less than equal to x. Okay. So, x is greater than equal to minus 1. Whenever it is greater than, we are moving towards right, remember. When it is less than, we move towards left. So, greater than equal to minus 1, it means that it is same as minus 1 is less than equal to x. Now, what are the rules for solving inequalities? It's very important to know the rules. So, we can either add the same number to both sides, the same as equations. We can subtract the same number from both sides. We can multiply both sides by the same positive number. We can divide both sides by the same positive number. The last 2 points are very important. When we multiply both sides by same negative number, the inequality will reverse. The sign will reverse. That is, the greater than equal to will be becoming less than equal to. The greater than equal to becomes less than equal to. Okay, or less than becomes greater than. When we divide both the signs by the same negative number again, it reverses the sign. So this is very important for step inequalities. We have to add or subtract to isolate the variable. We have just now seen in an example. We can either multiply or divide to solve the variable. And if we multiply or divide by a negative number, then we reverse the inequality. That is what we need to remember. Very important point. Now, look at this first. Let us understand this worked example which I have shown over here. So if it is minus 3x plus 5, so we will be subtracting 5 from both sides. So this becomes minus 3x plus 5 minus 5 is less than equal to minus 16 minus 5. So minus 5 plus 5 gets cancelled. We get this minus 3x is less than equal to minus 21. Minus 16 minus 5 is minus 21. Now when we are dividing by, we have to isolate the variable. That is, we need to make x alone. So we'll be dividing by minus 3. If I have to isolate x, I have to divide by minus 3. When we are dividing by minus 3, remember this inequality is going to reverse. Okay. Since we are dividing by a negative, the inequality reverses. So that is how you get minus 21 divided by minus 3. We get it as x is greater than equal to minus 7. Okay, let us solve this inequality. So it is minus 14 minus 4x plus 14 is less than 54. So we will write now as first we will get rid of this minus 14. So plus 14 is there. So you'll have to minus 14. So minus 4x plus 14 minus 14. We'll do that on the both side of inequality. So 54 minus 14 plus 14 minus 14 got cancelled. So it remains minus 4x is less than, now 54 minus 14 we get it as 40. Now we are going to divide by minus 4. Okay, because we have to isolate this x. So minus 4x divided by minus 4. This reverses. This less than becomes greater than. Again 40 divided by minus 4. So we get this as x is greater than 40 divided by minus 4 is minus 10. Got it? So this is how we have solved the inequality. So what is to be remembered? That is, whenever we divide by a negative number or we multiply by a negative number, the inequality will reverse. That is what it is very important for us. Solve the inequality minus, 6x minus 7 is less than equal to 5. So let us show this with the steps, how it is to be done. So we start with an equality 6x minus 7 is less than equal to 5. So we need to get rid of this minus 7 first. So we will be adding 7 to both sides. So when we are adding 7 to both sides means what we are doing over here, we are doing 6x minus 7 plus 7 is less than equal to 5 plus 7. So this is how we get 6x is less than equal to 12. The next what we do is divide both sides by 6. So that means we are doing 6x divided by 6 is less than equal to 12 divided by 6. 6x divided by 6 we got x and x is less than equal to 2. This is how we got this inequality as x is less than equal to 2. Now to show this on the number line, it is less than equal to, so that is why at 2 you will have a dark circle and x is less than equal to 2. So x takes the value which are less than 2 and that is why this is the number line which shows x is less than equal to 2. Okay. Few more examples, solve each inequality below and illustrate the solution on the number line. So I'll be solving 2 for you and 1 you are going to do yourself. So I'll begin with A. So we have 4x plus 6. Now plus 6, so you'll have to subtract 6 from both ends. So we get 4x plus 6 minus 6 is less than equal to 18 minus 6. What did we do? We subtracted 6 from both ends. So 6 minus 6 got 0. We got 4x is less than equal to 18 minus 6 is 12. Now we'll be dividing. We want to isolate x. So if I want to remove this 4, I'll have to divide this equation by 4. So both the side we do the same operation. 4x divided by 4 is less than equal to 12 divided by 4. See, we did not change the sign because we were dividing by the positive integer. And that is how you get 12 divided by 4, we get it as 3. So we got it x is less than equal to 3. Now we will be showing this on the number line. So here is a number line for you. X is less than equal to 3. So it is going to be, if x is less than equal to 3, it is going to go towards left. So I can start from 3. I can have 3, 2, 1. Remember on the number line how the numbers are 0, minus 1 and so on. And it is x is less than equal to 3. So it is going to be a dark circle. So because it is going to take the value of 3. And then the line which goes in this direction. Got it? Understood how to show this on the number line? Now one more we will solve. Let us solve this C part and this one, this B part you will be doing as a homework. Okay. Oh, okay. This you can do as homework and you can put in the comment section. And this B I will do for you. So we have 5x minus 8 is there. So we will add 8 on both sides. So we get 27 plus 8. Now minus 8 plus 8 got cancelled. We get 5x is greater than 27 plus 8 is 35. We need to isolate x, so we'll have to divide by 5. So 5x divided by 5 is greater than 35 divided by 5. So we get here x is greater than 35 divided by 5 is 7. Now let us show this on the number line. So x is greater than 7. So it is greater than 7 means it is going to go towards right hand side. So we'll start from 7 here, 7, 8, 9. Remember this distance has to be equal. We have to take with proper scale, 9, 10, 11 and so on. This arrow says that it extends endlessly in both directions. Now we will have a hollow circle because it is only greater than. It is not greater than equal to. And this is how this line shows x is greater than 7. Understood? Let us understand the next part, solve the inequality. Now it is combined inequality. Okay, so it is minus 10 less than 6x plus 2 less than equal to 32. Okay, so what we will do now, we will be plus 2 is there. So what we will do, we will be now subtracting 2 from both ends. Let us understand how it is being done over here. So first thing what we will do is we need to remove this minus 2 plus 2, right? So we will be subtracting 2 from both sides. So we'll have minus 10 minus 2 less than 6x plus 2 minus 2 less than equal to 32 minus 2. So this is how we get minus 10 minus 2 we got 12 and 32 minus 2 we got 30 and here 6x remains. Now we'll have to divide by 6 throughout because we need to isolate this x. So minus 12 divided by 6, we are dividing by a positive, so no sign in the inequality. 6x divided by 6 is less than equal to 30 divided by 6. So minus 12 divided by 6, we got minus 2. 6x divided by 6, we got x. 30 divided by 6 is 5. Now minus 2 here, it is only less than. So this is why this is a hollow circle over here. And it is less than equal to 5, so the darker circle. So this is how this number line represents minus 2 less than x less than equal to 5. Let us solve these inequalities. Solve each of the following inequalities and show on the number line. Again, these two are for you. These two, A and B, you are going to do for yourself. And I'll be showing C and D. So please focus and see now. It is plus 7. So if it is plus 7, so I'll have to do minus 7 from both, from each and every part of this inequality. So we get 11 minus 7 less than equal to 4x plus 7 minus 7 less than 27 minus 7. Okay, so 11 minus 7 we got it as 4 less than equal to 7 minus 7 got cut 4x. 27 minus 7 we get 20. Now we need to isolate this x, so we will be dividing by 4. So we get 4 divided by 4 less than equal to 4x divided by 4 is less than 20 divided by 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. 4x divided by 4x we get x and 20 divided by 4 we get 5. So this is the solution for the inequality. Now to represent this on the number line, 1 is less than equal to x, okay, and less than 5. So we will start with 1. So we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We can go on, okay. On right hand side the number goes on increasing. Now 1 is less than equal to, so this is going to be a darkened circle at 1. And at 5, we are going to have a hollow circle because it is simply less than. So this is the inequality that represents this inequality, 1 less than equal to x less than 5. Got it? Now we will be doing this D part and this A and B is homework for you. Okay? I will be doing D part. Now this is minus 7. So if it is minus 7, we'll have to do plus 7 on all sides. So we get 5 plus 7 is less than 6x minus 7 plus 7 is less than 29 minus plus 7. Okay, we are doing plus 7. Now 5 plus 7 is 12, less than this minus 7 plus 7 got cancelled, we got 6x. And 29 plus 7, we get this as 36. Okay, now we want to isolate x, so we'll be dividing by 6 over here. So 12 divided by 6 is less than 6x divided by 6 is less than 36 divided by 6. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 6x divided by 6 is x less than 36 divided by 6 is 6. Now let us show this inequality on the number line. So x lies between 2 and 6. So we'll start with 2. We have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. It is only less than, so there will be hollow circle at 2 and also hollow circle at 6 because it is only less than. And this line, and this is how we show this inequality on the number line. 2 is less than x less than 6. Got it? Easy. So you'll be solving this A and B yourself. Okay. Now, these are the questions for you, children. You have to match the graph with this its inequality, and which is the correct option, that you have to message me in the comment section. So if you like the video, please do not forget to share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.